Hello, my Math Independent Study student. In this video, we are going to analyze criteria for selecting a career. The table below is comparing level of education achieved to the rate of unemployment and the median weekly earnings in 2008. Based on the information provided, the unemployment rate decreased the most when moving between which two consecutive education levels. So let's go ahead and begin. Here in this table, we given two information: the unemployment rate in 2008 and the median weekly earning in 2008. But this question only focusing on the unemployment rate in 2008, and we are asked to find which two consecutive education level that decrease the most, the unemployment rate decreased the most. So let's begin. So we will start from the bottom to the top. So let's start with the education less than a high school diploma. So the unemployment rate is 9%. Now if you have a high school, if you graduate from high school or you have a high school diploma, then the unemployment rate is 5.7. So let's go ahead and find the differences. So if I take 9.0 minus 5.7, and the differences of 9.0 and 5.7 will be 3.3%. So the unemployed decreased from a less than high school diploma to a high school graduated will be 3.3%. Now let's move on to the next one. How about compare between the high school graduate and some college with no degree. So we'll go ahead and again I'll take 5.7 minus 5.1, and that will give us 0.6. So you can see right here that the unemployment rate decreased the most when it jumped between the less than high school to the high school, which is 3.3%. Now from the high school to some college with no degrees, it's only 0.6. So let's move on. So we'll go ahead and some college with no degree compared with the associate degree. So we'll do 5.1 minus 3.7, and that will be 5.1 minus 3.7. Yeah, that will give us 1.4. And we keep going now. So now we are going to compare between the associate degrees and a bachelor degree. So we will take 3.7 minus 2.8, and that will give us 0.9. And so far we can see that the unemployment rate decreased the most between the two consecutive level of education, which is from the less than high school to the high school graduate. And now let's move on to a bachelor degree to a master degree. So we do 2.8 minus 2.4, and that will give us 0.4. And then let's compare between a master degree and a professional degree. So we take 2.4 minus 1.7, and that will give us 0.7. And between a professional degree and a doctoral degree, so we'll do 1.7 minus 2.0. That will give us negative 0.3. Is it possible to have a negative percentage of unemployment rate? So basically it says that if you have a doctor degree, uh, it's very likely that you will get a job right away, or you get an offer for a job right away after you complete your doctor degree. So let's go ahead and go back and compare all of this number here. So we have 3.3, 0.6, 1.4, 0.9, 0.4, 0.7, and negative 0.3. We are looking for the unemployment rate decrease the most between which two consecutive education level. So we can see right here, this is the biggest number. So it tells us that the unemployment rate decreased the most between the two education level, which between the less than high school and a high school graduate. This will be the conclusion for this video. Make sure that you write down your own summary. Thank you so much, and I see you in class. Goodbye.